This morning on my walk, I was thinking about this article I read by Erin Reed, where she discussed the latest court case that came down from the Supreme Court. The Supreme Court, who chose today of all days to hand down this decision in a case brought by a trans girl who was 11 years old when this whole thing started. The 6 conservative justices were in the majority, and the 3 liberal justices were in dissent. Justice Kavanaugh wrote the decision, and here's what they ruled. States can ban transgender girls and women from women's sports teams. The court said that the word sex in Title IX, the law that opened sports to women 50 years ago, cannot plausibly be interpreted to refer to anything other than biological sex. This wasn't really about sports. It was about a definition. The court wanted to reach into a 50-year-old civil rights law to decide what sex means, and decided it in a way that writes trans kids and women out of it. It could have been worse, I guess. They didn't gut Bostock. They didn't strip equal protection from trans people as a class, but they did endorse a whole theory behind this fight. They wrote that one trans girl displaces a cisgender girl. That's the exact argument the Alliance Defending Freedom is using to sue states and schools across the country. So the court drew a map for everyone who wants trans kids gone. The majority even said that if trans athletes on puberty blockers have no physical advantage at all, the ban still stands. So facts don't matter. They're not even pretending that this is about fairness anymore. Justice Sotomayor saw it for what it was, and she wrote that this kind of discrimination inflicts injury to personal dignity, no matter how few people it touches. So to the trans people who may be watching this, you are not a court case. You are not a problem to be solved by 9 people in robes who have never met you. What they took today was a sentence in a law book. What they cannot touch is who you are. They don't get that power. No one does. If you're scared right now, I get it. I'm not going to tell you that it's fine because it isn't, but you are not alone in this. We are standing with you. Queer people, allies, all of us. We are not going anywhere. We've survived worse than this, and we did it side by side. And we're not stopping now. We're still here. We're still queer, always. Happy Pride.